arm doors and cross-check.
Congratulations, you're on the final leg to PIKE Online 2020. But first, an important message from Adelaide, Australia.
Hi and welcome to PIKE Online AU. I'm your conference director, Lee Brunecki, and in this video we're going to show you some of the features of this venue-less virtual event. Please pay close attention even if you conference with us often.
In preparation for the conference, please check your email 24 hours before the event and use your invitation link to join the online platform. Our friendly help desk team can assist you if you encounter any trouble. Just email the team at contact@pikecon.org.au. The conference crew will now point out the Code of Conduct. Please take a few moments to review the Code of Conduct and familiarise yourself with the details therein.
This year's conference comes equipped with 4 excellent rooms. The Curly Boy Theatre will host your conference welcome and the invited speakers. You'll also find the Python 2 Memorial Concert Hall, Flip-Floperator Auditorium, and the One Obvious Room. Please take a few moments to review the session schedule and identify the talk that is nearest to your interests. And remember, the most interesting content could be behind you.
If you need to leave this extremely online event to go outside, a mask may be required. Fit your mask over your nose and mouth and fasten. Continue to breathe normally.
This event would not be possible without the kind and generous support of our event sponsors. Sponsors help us to keep the event affordable for all attendees, and gives us the ability to do things like put together mock airline safety videos, like this one.
This event isn't just about watching some talks, it's about catching up with your friends and making new ones. Thanks to the convenience of home viewing, this event is now pet friendly and we'd love to see photos of your pooches and paws joining us for the conference. While you're enjoying this weekend, be sure to share your viewing selfies using the hashtag PikeOnlineAU.
The crew and I have put a lot of work into bringing this event to you today, and we're so grateful that you've joined us here for PIKE Online AU.
Thank you for streaming with PIKE Online AU 2020. Sit back, relax, grab your beverage of choice, and enjoy the show. We're going to have such fun. And action!